Hello dear fellow crafters, this is Maggie and today I'm going to show you how to make 6 miniature nursery books, and these are The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Here is the 1/12 scale printed sheet, and in the description you will find also the 1/6 scale, which consists of 2 pages with all the pages of the book. And in the description down below you will find 5 more books of the English author Beatrix Potter, and the books are The Tale of Benjamin Bunny, The Tale of the Flopsy Bunnies, The Tale of Squirrel Nutkin, The Tale of Miss Tiggy Winkle, and The Tale of Jemima Puddle Duck. So what you will need is the printed sheet. You, as I said, you will find the PDF files in the description down below the video. They are uploaded in my Google Drive and consist of 2 scales, 1/6 scale and 1/12 scale, with 2 standard sheet sizes, A4 standard, which is the international standard, and USA letter standard sheet. I'm working currently in the A4 standard document, the international standard sheet. But if you are USA located, you should download the letter size sheet. So what you will need is the printed sheet on a regular computer paper, craft glue, and scissors. So what you should do, you should cut down the cover, the template for the cover support, and all the rows with the pages, like so. Cut on each individual row, and do not forget the number of rows, so that you know which row goes after which one. Okay, now once all the pages are cut out, just keep the order of the rows. We will start by folding the pages accordion style, so that this page will be glued to the back of the cover. We will put glue, apply glue here, and we will glue it to the cover, and this will be the first page when you open the cover. So we will start folding the pages like this, continuing all the way to the end. Like so. This is the first set of pages. Then we will continue folding the next pages. So we finished with this picture, and the book must continue that way. So we will fold the first page like this, and then we will continue folding the pages again accordion style. Okay, so we ended up on an empty page. So here what we will do is to glue down, once we are done, to glue the next page to this empty page, and then the book will continue. So we will fold the next row of pages so that we glue the first page to the last page of the previous row. We again end up on a page that is not empty, so we will leave it here, and to continue correctly we will fold the first page like this, and again continue folding the pages. This is the 1/12 scale. Okay, we again end up on an empty page, so we will glue the first page of the next row to this page. So we will start folding the pages like this. And this is the last page, which we will glue to the back of the back cover. So this is the order of the pages, and this is the book cover. Before I start using the glue, I will fold down the tabs of the cover. Okay, and now what we are going to do is take the glue and apply some glue. First, let's start with the cover. Apply some glue the inside of the cover, and we will glue these templates for additional support. So the cover is done. I will fold the cover on the lines. Next, what we are going to do, this is the first set of pages. Next, we have this set of pages. I will hold them together with my fingers, apply glue on the back, and glue the next set of pages. This is the fourth set of pages, and I will apply glue on the back and glue the last set of pages. These are a lot of pages. Next, I will apply glue on the spine of the book. And glue it to the cover. I will apply glue on the last page and on the first page. And next, to stay, you should leave it to dry, and you may put it under a heavy object so that it dries good. And that's it. This is the 1/12 scale. You may also use a cloth peg to hold the book in place while it's dry. So this is the 1/6 scale. This is the 1/12 scale. It's half its size, as I said. This one is perfect for Barbie dolls, and this one is for miniature doll houses. It contains all the illustrations of the story with the text. All illustrations and the text for all Beatrix Potter books are in public domain for the USA. So I decided to make books with them and release them for free. You will find the files for all 6 books that I shared in the beginning of this video in the description down below. For more digital files for your dollhouse, please visit my shop at Etsy, littlemaggishop.etsy.com. If you have questions, please write them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more free content in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.